There's Muffin, and there's Winnie. Hi, Winnie. I'll show you Winnie in a minute. Oh, she's precious. She's a little on the shy side, and her's got a bad hair day today. She's got the prettiest fur, though. She's got like white woven in it. Kind of salt and peppery. Oh, look at that precious baby. And poor little Muffin had to be shaved down due to very severe matting. When I first saw that little dog, I felt so sorry for her. You could hardly even see her face, and her back was very, very, very matted. Look at her now. So she does have very long, beautiful fur. And Winnie, hello Winnie, say hi. Winnie is probably in the 1 to 2 year old range, and little Muffin is about a year old as well. Both very young dogs and just cute as a button. Winnie's, you know, we have the exact weights I'll put on their bio, because I don't have them in front of me. But I can tell you temperament-wise, both of them are fabulous. I haven't noticed any behavior issues at all. They're just good little dogs. Yes, I'm talking about you. And they would both love a foster home. The rescue life is very difficult on these small dogs. We just don't have enough foster homes to go around. And Winnie just wants to get right next to me. Come here, Winnie. She's like, I want to go where you are. You're making me dizzy taking this video. Winnie, say hi. Hi. Pretty girl. Yes, you're pretty too. Both available for adoption through Tracy's